Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on age-restricted commands on Discord. If you've been exploring Discord settings and want to make sure your account is properly set up for mature content controls, this quick guide will help you do it step by step. Don't worry, it's super easy and only takes a minute. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on that to open up your user settings. Now that you're inside your settings menu, look for the gear icon. This is where most of your personal settings can be adjusted. Tap on the gear icon, and you'll see a list of different categories you can scroll through. From here, find the section called Content and Social. This is the area where Discord places tools that help you control what kind of content and interactions you have access to on your account. Give that option a tap to enter. Once you're inside the Content and Social settings, scroll until you see the option labeled Enable Age-Restricted Commands. By default, many accounts have this turned off, so this is where you'll make the adjustment. All you need to do is toggle the switch on. When you toggle it, Discord will save the change instantly. That means the setting is now active, and you can use commands in E-restricted channels without any issues. It's a small setting, but it makes sure you can access the content meant for more mature audiences, while still giving Discord the ability to filter things for those who shouldn't be seeing them. And that's all it takes. Just a few simple steps. Open your profile picture, tap the settings gear, head into Content and Social, and switch on the age-restricted commands toggle. Once you've done that, you're fully set up. If this guide helped you, make sure to share it with someone who might also be looking for the same answer. Thanks for watching.